Hello there. Thank you so much for joining me here today. 2020 was really a crazy year for everyone, and it was really a crazy year for me and even heartbreaking for me, and I'm still not over it. Loss, grief, and whatnot. I'm sorry I'm unable to talk about it now. I guess I need some more time to talk about it. Anyways, last year I learned some important life lessons that completely changed my life in every aspect: work, personal life, relationship. And since it was so impactful and brought in a good change in me, I really want to share my life lessons from 2020 with you today. I know we are stepping into the month of April, but I really felt that I want to share these life lessons from 2020 with you. And even if one finds this helpful, I'll be the happiest person in the world. Okay, let's begin. Starting with the number one life lesson from 2020 is sort it out. If you love someone so much, it might be your family member or anyone, and you have a misunderstanding with them, don't wait, don't double think, no matter what, just go and sort it out ASAP, because this is really important, because this particular person holds a place in your heart, and if you don't, or if you wait, then this universe sometimes might take it from your hands. It happened to me last year when I lost this person. Totally unexpected. The pandemic and all the miserable things it had brought. I will talk about this later, maybe once I'm healed internally. So don't wait for the right time. Just go and sort it out ASAP. That's what I'm trying to tell from my end. Okay, so let's move on to the second life lesson that I learned. Managing energy. Energy is a finite source, and you gotta treat your energy like how you treat your money. Energy is as important as money, because in a day you only have a limited amount of energy and you need to manage it wisely, like whom you are giving your energy to, the people, the things around you. I learned this from a popular monk named Dandapani. I recently came across him in 2020, and his teachings literally changed me and helped me to manage my energy wisely and divide it among the people I love and the things I love to do. He also says, where awareness goes, energy flows. So I started to become so aware where my thoughts are going. Say if an unpleasant thought strikes me, I immediately become aware of it, and with my willpower I try to move my awareness on the thing I wanted to do rather than where my thoughts are taking me, so that my energy goes into the right things that I wanted to do. This practice literally changed me, removed those unimportant people and things around me, and focused on my life and its whole purpose. I will leave a link below in the description box to his YouTube channel. He also has podcast and many other things. You can go and check it out. I'm pretty sure it would be really helpful for you, and it might be life-changing for you as it did for me. Okay then, so moving on to the third life lesson I learned from 2020 is willpower will take you nowhere, only systems will. You can't be in high spirits every day, as we are humans, and there are days that we feel unmotivated, and it's natural to feel that way. I was that person whom people points out and says, oh, Monica is a girl who has so much willpower. But I didn't succeed with my willpower, and even if I did, I wasn't happy in my life. It's just that I learned last year through some articles that willpower will take you nowhere and only systems will. You need to have the right systems in place. When I say systems, it's more like a powerful morning and night routine. Even if you don't feel like waking up at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., you need to. And that's all about self-discipline, right? How many hours you work in a day, how you like to unwind after your work, what you eat in a week. And when you have these systems in place, even if you feel unmotivated someday, it keeps you going. It keeps you going because you already have a system in place, and it will automatically takes you to the place where you want to go. Next, the fourth life lesson is there is no tomorrow. Just live in the damn moment. There is no time left for any shit or to be unhappy about life. If you want to do something, just go and do it. Cause life on this earth is too short and we all know it, right? Pandemic made me so aware about this statement after seeing so many people losing their lives in a fraction of a second. And the last life lesson is, I really don't know about it, but I just feel this way. God is there and everything that is happening has a reason behind it. So we can put it in this way as well. Trust in the universe. The universe holds it. Nothing is in our hands. Just keep going and do what you want to do and stay happy always. Poured my heart out in this video today. Let me know in the comments if you could resonate with any of my life lessons. Hope my life lessons helps or motivates you in some way. Give a big thumbs up if it did. I will see you next week. Bye. Lots of love.